Hello there, Terry. This is my layout of the Raspberry Pi I'm suggesting for your need. It's about the cheapest way you're going to go. This is a Raspberry Pi, about the size of a pack of cigarettes. The case is 3 times as big as it needs to be. Has various ports. Needs a USB, Ethernet, which you don't need. It also has wireless Ethernet, so you really don't need this one. You won't be using that. Over here, you've got the port for power. That's the blue one. The gray one is the monitor. You could have a second monitor. Back here is a slot for a micro SD card. I'll explain that in a second. And that is your Raspberry Pi. The unit comes with this cable. This is the cable that goes to the monitor. It also comes with a power supply. That will go over there. And it also comes with the operating system, which is Linux as compared to Windows. It looks something like that. And that's just an example of one. The one that actually came with it, I already have inserted right over here. Over there. I like to color coordinate everything so I know what's going on. Moving along, these are the devices you're going to need to add. You're going to need to add a monitor. And you're going to need to add a mouse and a keyboard, headphones if you want to listen to the music. But the big thing you're going to need is a memory stick. This is a 64 gig. That's good enough for what I use the Pi for, but you can get bigger ones, you get smaller ones. They're about 10 bucks, 15 bucks. Notice it's got a blue end on it. And that will, of course, go into the blue USB ports. Those are the fast ones. So the blue ones are fast. They're called the 3.0s if you want to get geeky out on it. All right, so I'm going to connect everything. Again, I have everything all color-coded because I always end up forgetting. So, like this grayish connector will connect into that port, and that way I don't have to forget it. Gotta love nail polish for that. All right, I'm going to connect this all up and power it up, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're back. Let's power this guy up. I'm gonna take the blue plug and plug him in. And as you can see, the little red light comes on and the screen starts doing the screeny dance thing. The entire setup, I've got everything plugged in. My joystick, the whatever, mouse, keyboard. That memory stick is in the blue one. I got that going. Here's the screen populating. It's booting, it's booting. That's all Linux crap. Booting up, yada, 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 yada. That's an extra keyboard in the back. Don't worry about that. Pay no attention to that keyboard in the back. It's still booting. More good stuff. We're at, what? Just to give you an idea how long this thing takes to power up. And there we are. We're basically up in under a minute. I don't know. And what you'll see here is the little Raspberry Pi, the globe, a couple of other icons, and that ADA, UFD. That is this memory stick. So that might come on as something other. I have already set up the wireless. But if I had some problems with that, I would have clicked on this, and you can see there's all your wireless, and you pick which one you connect onto and all that other stuff. Here's the ones that are available. I don't know what else is fun over here. Who cares? Where's the cursor? There it is. So what we'll first do is take a look at what the internet looks like. It's you click on that globe picture right there, and here comes the internet. Let's go here. And you can see pretty reasonable. It's bringing up the web page. And there we all go. We have the web page. I can go to my mail. And there's my email. I can download and upload. I already did that. But basically, like I can see here, like I can click on this email. Sandy has some attachments. I could just download it and I can pick where I want. And I have everything going to my Adafruit. So I'll double click on this. this brings up the File Explorer, and you'll see I set up a directory called John on it. And under John, I have an Excel directory. And in the Excel directory, I have a folder called Calendar. I always have this is my work calendar, and I click on it. Now you're seeing LibreOffice. That's the replacement for Microsoft Office in the Linux world. So up it comes, and there is my perpetual calendar. And as you can see, I have different sheets. I can go to this sheet, and it's exactly Excel. And you also have Microsoft Word, you have Microsoft Excel, and you have PowerPoint. You have all of those available to you. It comes all standard. I did not load any software on this thing. So, and there it is. Now what is happening is all of these files are being saved on this memory stick. So in theory, you could just pull the memory stick and bring it to another computer, and you have all your files. Or you could take this file, and I could easily just say, compose an email, and I could go here and take this file and just drop it in the email. And now you have it in your email to go out, and you can just email it to yourself or to somebody else, and they'll have your Excel file, and then you can pick it up when you get to work. If you want. I'm going to discard this. How do I discard it? Up here. I got to hit the X. And there you go. And we can get rid of this. We can get rid of this. I can open this up here. I can go to YouTube if I want. The start button is over here, and you have, I'm sorry, I didn't realize my cursor wasn't looking. You go here, you click here, it gives you a drop down of all kinds of other goodies you have available for you. I typically, here's your internet. I think I only have, you could probably get Firefox or some other browsers if you want. I don't think I installed much. And there you go, and there we got, different, ooh, Christopher Lee, a tribute to Christopher Lee. Ooh, we should watch that. All right, anyway, but that's basically your quick tour of this whole thing. To power it off, quite literally, let's get rid of this guy. To power this guy off, you literally, there's no off button. You just pull the plug. You can do a close shutdown, but nobody ever does. And this is a computer, so I'll send you the link for this. It's about $100 for this setup, plus the $15 for that. Oh, if you have an old monitor, you might need one of these guys. These you can get for like $5. And what it does is it converts from the HDMI to the VGA. You'll need something like this if you have a really old monitor. Actually, this one isn't going to need. You need the one with the female. I don't know how this one actually works. Oh, right. So what you would do is you would plug this in, and then out would come the old style with the 5 holes. And you're going to need one of these that can accept it. This is the male side of HDMI, the newfangled video. You're going to need one with the socket, but this is the old VGA monitor. You might need that as well. That's about the tool. I'm going to put the links together for you in this email as well. And good luck, Terry.